Good morning everyone. My name is Vijay Vasundhara and I'm back with your English lesson. So today we are going to be learning letter writing. Okay? This is a writing lesson. Alright? But first, tell me, why do we write letters? Writing a letter allows us to keep in touch with our loved ones, right? Also, when they reply back to us, it means so much to us. We love it, right? It also shows that we have space in their lives. We mean something to them, right? They have time for us. Now let's start learning about letter writing. There are two types of letters: formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters are the letters that we write to organizations or people in authority to make complaints, requests, inquiries, etc. For example, who is the person in authority in your school? It is your principal. It is your school principal, right? So you would write an application to the principal in order to make a request for leave or any other request or inquiry regarding the school things, right? Alright. The language used in a formal letter is very formal. Okay? The second type of letters that we write is informal letter. These are written to friends and relatives, the people we love, right? They are written in casual language. So in this video, we are going to be learning about informal letters only. Okay? We are going to be learning about why we write informal letters and how we write informal letters. How to write informal letters? Let's take a look. To whom do we write informal letters? Informal letter is written to somebody that you know, such as a pen pal, friends, family members and relatives. Why do we write informal letters? Asking for or giving advice, asking for or giving information, asking for opinion or suggestion, inviting somebody for an occasion, accepting or declining the invitation, congratulating somebody, expressing condolences, apologizing, etc. What is the format of an informal letter? So everyone, now let's learn about the format of an informal letter. Okay. So the first thing that you write is the sender's address. Okay. That is your address on the top left corner of the page, right beside the margin. Don't leave any space there. Okay. And right below that, you will write the date on which you are writing the letter. Okay. After that, you would write the salutation or the greeting. For example, dear friend. Okay. So that is what you write there after the date, below the date. Okay. And after the salutation, right below it, you will write the body of the letter. You will write the body of the letter. Okay. The body of the letter means the content or the topic about which you want to write the letter. Okay. That would make the body of the letter. And in the end, you will sign off saying yours lovingly or with love. And you will write sender's name. That means your name. Okay. Sender's name is your name. Okay. So this is the complete format of letter writing. Okay. Which kind of letter writing? Informal letter writing. Sender's address, date, dear friend, body of the letter, yours lovingly, sender's name. Okay. So I hope that you understood this. Here is an example of letter writing for you. Okay. So let's write the question first, and I want you to write this letter along with me. Okay. So I'll give you time to write the letter along with me. Let's first write the question. Write a letter to your friend inviting him or her to spend the upcoming holiday at your place in Mumbai. Okay? Let me tell you again. Write a letter to your friend inviting him or her to spend the upcoming holiday at your place in Mumbai. So now let's start writing. Okay? So as I told you before, as I taught you before, what would be the first thing that you would write? You would write the sender's address. And in this case, you are living in Mumbai. Okay, so the address would be of Mumbai. So you would write it on the top left corner, right? ABC Apartments, Matunga, Mumbai. And what did I tell you? You would write below the address. Yes, the date. And today is 20th August 2020, right? And we are writing the letter today, so the date would be 20 August 2020. Now below that you would write the salutation or the greeting, right? Now I could write dear friend as well, but the name of my friend is Srishti. So I would write dear Srishti. Now write this with me. Now let's move forward and write the body of the letter. Okay, we'll start with the introductory portion where you will ask about the well-being of your friend. Okay, so here it is. Dear Srishti, it has been a while since I have heard from you. How have you been? I hope this letter finds you in the best of your health. I'll read this again and please keep writing with me. Dear Srishti, it has been a while since I have heard from you. How have you been? I hope this letter finds you in the best of your health. So after asking the well-being of your friend, we will move on to the middle part of the letter where you will state the purpose of writing the letter. Okay? So let's start and please continue writing with me. As the vacations are approaching, I was thinking about you spending the vacations at my place this year. We have not met since last year, and I have a lot to share with you. There are a lot of places which we can visit in Mumbai. I'll read it out again for you and write this, okay? As the vacations are approaching, I was thinking about you spending the vacations at my place this year. We have not met since last year, and I have a lot to share with you. There are a lot of places which we can visit in Mumbai. The Gateway of India and the Elephanta Caves are very famous. You would love the beaches here and the local food. If you have not made other plans for the holidays, I would love to have you here. My parents will talk to uncle and auntie for permission if you say yes. I'm going to read this again. Please continue writing with me. The Gateway of India and the Elephanta Caves are very famous. You would love the beaches here and the local food. If you have not made other plans for the holidays, I would love to have you here. My parents will talk to uncle and auntie for permission if you say yes. Inform me as soon as possible so that I can plan our holidays. I am waiting for your response. So I hope that you have been writing with me till now, and now we have reached the ending of our letter. Okay, so here is the end. Hope to see you soon. Yours lovingly, Vijaya. Okay, now I'll read it out again for you so that you can write it clearly. Inform me as soon as possible so that I can plan our holidays. I am waiting for your response. Hope to see you soon. Yours lovingly, Vijaya. So I hope that you were writing with me and the letter is complete now. So students, that was it for our letter writing lesson, and in the next lesson I'll be back with a brand new topic. Okay, till then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for further notification. Also keep checking the school website for further PDFs and updates. Till then, keep inside your homes. Bye.